All right, guys, we have a quick Saturday night box opening with 2020 Prizm. We're looking for Anthony Edwards, Tyrese Halliburton, Tyrese Maxey, Desmond Bain. Honestly, I'd be happy with an Isaac Okoro. He's on my hometown Cavs. We're undefeated at this point in the season, which is kind of insane. Kenny Atkinson, our coach, is the first NBA coach to start off their an NBA season 15-0 on a new team. Pretty insane. So hopefully they keep going, and let's get to it. See how we do. There is 4 cards per pack, 6 packs per box. My back is kind of messed up right now, guys. So to be honest, I did have a couple edibles, so I'm a little relaxed right now. So hopefully this is a fun video. CJ McCollum, Dylan Brooks, Kemba Walker, Shake Milton. Completely awful trash pack. What a terrible start. God awful. Get going. If I pull a silver prism of any of the aforementioned players, I would take this as a win. We'll see how I do. Oh, I see a silver prism. So here's a base of Nico Mannion. He's a role player for the Warriors. Bogdan. Penny Hardaway. I'm legitimately wearing his jersey right now. Wow. Hold on. All right. I want to be a nerd right now. This is going to be... Oh, God. Can you see the jersey? Here's the card. Here's the card. There's the Penny jersey. I don't know if you can see it at all, but yeah, I just bought the blue one because I had it as a kid, and I think I sold it because I was like, yeah, I don't really fit in this anymore. So that's a cool card to pull. Very cool. Nice. Has that refractor feel. I'll be sleeving that up. And Penny is probably my number 1 or number 2 PC, actually, because he was my first favorite NBA player growing up. So I currently have, I think, 3 or 4 Penny autographs. And Allen Iverson's probably second. I think I have 3 of his. So I would say those are my two top favorite players. Hopefully one day I can afford a LeBron, but he's just so expensive. Kira Lewis, Jay Crowder, terrible pack. All right. In terms of value, so far we're not doing really well, but in terms of just amazing nostalgic pull, we're doing a 10 out of 10 with the Penny Hardaway card. Even though that card's worth $1, but it really doesn't even matter. Evan Fournier. Oh my God, this box so far is terrible. There has to be something good coming up because this has been pretty bad. But honestly, I might just send that card to Penny because just cool pulling a card like that, and it's a really sweet looking card. And I could get like a paint pen on that, in orange or like a blue, like the Magic colors would be super cool. Carlos Boozer. What is this? Oh my God. This is the, so there is, okay, maybe not. There's green pulsars. Find 1 auto or memorabilia card per box. Terrible. So he had a good career. If this wasn't even game worn, all right, I think it is game worn at least, because it's really pathetic when they just have like a never worn patch or piece of jersey that they never even like. It's pointless. It's so stupid. So at least this is game worn. Carlos Boozer, honestly, would have probably multiple championships if he just didn't decide to be a greedy dude and just like go for the money. He would have stayed with LeBron. He got jealous of LeBron's instant success, and he just saw the money, so he left, and he did get paid. So credit to him. He probably would have got paid really well by the Cavs too. But overall, had a solid career, but probably could have had multiple championships if he just decided to stay with the Cavs. So he was a good player, but overall, not super happy with that pull, to be honest. And then a Precious instant impact rookie. So yeah, we need to get bailed out with this pack, guys, or else this was a pretty terrible box. I'll be honest. Oh, another. Oh my God, I pulled another Penny card. I think it's the same card though. Theo Maledon, Donovan, Denny. Okay, he's actually a pretty good player. I believe. I think he's probably averaging, maybe 15 points a game or so. I'm completely guessing right now, but this card is it's probably a borderline PSA 9. That is going to be really, really close. Can you see the centering on top is a little too heavy for the bottom? It's probably, If this card has got a PSA 10, you could probably make, maybe $30 back on this card. But it's a gamble you're taking. If it's a PSA 9, you're probably going to get your money back, and that's about it for this card. So, kind of a risk if you send this one into grading, but very, very cool card. Silver Prisms, in my opinion, are it's going to be like the rookie for each NBA player, like their most famous rookie card in this set of Prizm. Going back to, when did Prizm come out? 2010 or something like that, 2011. So that's a nice pull. And then I got the Penny Hardaway base. All right, so the Denny card did bail me out a bit. That makes me feel quite a bit better. Still nothing crazy, but the nostalgia pull of the Penny kind of made this box worth it. Look at the shine on it. I'll probably get a paint pen autograph on it. So we'll see about that. But very cool. Thanks for watching, guys, and catch you in the next one.